Hi. I just went to the post office to send some packages to Army. I think 4, yeah. And when I come back, what do I have in my mailbox? Army post. I don't know what's inside here, but I'm sure I will love it. And if I manage to open it, I'm sorry about this, but I need a scissor. I hope I don't break it. Yeah. You. You know I'm on a diet, Eve. What's this? Cinnamon and nuts. Yeah, well, I don't speak Dutch, but I think I will. They are like cookies. And, oh, it's a package in a package. Okay, what's inside here? Oh, come on. Oh, okay. There are so many things here. Jimin keychain. As Army keychain, so cute. BTS keychain. Jimin to my. Hope these surprises help you and gain more love and joy. Eve, so cute. Oof. That dispatch photo. Oh my god! You're killing me. And. Okay, there is more. Oh, this is from the Love Yourself on Tear album. Yeah. If I'm going to use this in giveaway because I have several of them already. So, thank you. And another Jimin. Is this a sticker or? There are 2. Oh my goodness. And sticker. Oh, these are cute. Remind me of Thai. Thank you so much. 사랑해.